Carson! Carson! Carson!
Okay. The spider went out the water. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Ang pogi, oh! Carson! Carson! Hindi siya gawin.
I just like to hug my blanket and hold it next to me because it's soft and warm and I love it. I like my blanket. It's very, very yellow. I like it even better than a bowl of jello. When I hold it close, it feels just right. I like my yellow blankie in the day and night. She likes her yellow blankie in the day and night. And you know what? I've always liked my blankie, even when I was a little
Di ba, pahingin tissue.
My blankie is so special and very, very yellow. I like to keep it with me when I say hello. When she holds it close, it feels just right. She likes her yellow blankie in the day and night. I
Anong
like my
gagalawin?
yellow blankie
Ano
in
yun
the
nasa
day
tenga, oh.
and night. That's why
Ana.
Carson! Makate!
my blankie.
Nangangate.
My blankie feels so soft like a big marshmallow. But
Oh, malapit na, malapit na.
so yellow. When she holds it close, it feels just right.
Hawakan mo pa ulo, kaya na yan.
In the day and night. I like my yellow blankie in the day and night.
Ikabaliktad mo siya.
Ano yung kaya pag kinapon niya?
Oh, yun na lang po.
Happy enough to shout. Happy enough to say
Mahaba nga yung buhok niya kasi. Pag nililiguan na namin yan, mahaba lang. Clap daw ba? Clap! Mukhang babae. Carson! Carson! Nak! Nak!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, and you make the happy. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! If you're happy and you know it, be okay. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, be okay.
Ilaway sa ulo. Bye-bye, long hair! Bye-bye, long hair! Paulo, ano yung buhok niya, oh? Hinahabol niya. Harap mo sa'yo.
feel happy, I can smile, the biggest smile I know. You can see my happiness go.
Mukha ng lalaki.
Way to help you remember things. 1, 2, my shoe. 3, 4, in the door. 5, 6, take the pick. 7, 8, play the trick.
Tata!
I'm funny. I think you better do that again.
Hindi siya gumagalang. Carson! Carson! Carson!
Mukha ka ng tomboy!
Ni Philip. Kita. Malikat, malapit na. Opo, pupunta tayo dyan pagtapos mo. Kape.
Sa likod lang.
Harap mo sa'yo. Naantok na.
Pagpag mo yung balikat ko, di para pagka sinandal ko siya din.
Yeah! Upo ka lang, hindi ka abot. Umupo ka lang. Carson! Carson! May pamalit pa siya. May pamalit pa siya. Pamalit. Tyson! Oh! Mukha ka ng boy!
Puro ano, kung tissue, B.